Ambulatory Manager's Quarterly Rounding Tool, utilizing the TRA Observer app. Welcome to this next training session on using the TRA Observer app. In this training video, we will walk through the TRA Observer and how to use it while you are rounding. Reminders. Download the TRA Observer app on your tablet or smartphone device. And before you start your inspection, make sure that you have the following. 1. The latest software update. And 2. The latest version of the app. Tutorial. Starting your inspection. First, open the TRA Observer app on your device. On your screen, you will be prompted with a pop-up message notifying you of your assigned inspection. On this page, you should see the assigned inspection that will include the building, due date, department, and inspector name. On the top right corner of your screen, select Start. When you start your inspection, the first thing you will see are the list of categories. The first 3 categories are specific to environmental observations. And the last 2 categories will be used to interview the staff. Please remember to click on each category to note a positive or negative finding before moving to the next room. Again, each question must have a positive or negative point. If you choose a category and you want to return to the main menu for the list of categories, you can select the list icon on the bottom of your screen. Entering a positive note. Enter a positive note when you witness anything extraordinary. Acknowledge the presence of something spectacular. To add a positive note, you can click the plus icon or the number in blue under the positive column. By selecting the plus icon, it will only enter a quick note and it will not include the details of your observation. By selecting the number button in blue under the positive column, this will allow you to modify any existing notes or enter in the details of your observation. Please include details like the room number and employee name. Since typing can be challenging on your device, you can use the microphone to help with documenting your observations. You can also add attachments to your observations. If you select the paperclip icon, this will allow you to add pictures, videos, voice recordings, or recognition. We recommend that you take the picture using the camera in the app since it will be stored on the web. Once you add an attachment, it will become available at the bottom of your note. You can also edit your attachments at a later time by adding text, drawings, shapes, anything to point out anything you might have noticed in your observation and you wanted to bring attention to that specific issue. If you would like to delete an attachment, hold the attachment and slide to the left to delete. Recognition. Let's come in and acknowledge our staff. By clicking the paperclip icon, you can add an attachment to recognize the staff. Fill in the appropriate fields by including the employee name, the supervisor and manager name, and the reason for recognition. If you select the download button at the top right of your screen, this will save the attachment to your note. Entering a negative note. Please remember to complete any additional staff knowledge when you are entering a negative note. The chat icon on your screen will appear and it will take you to additional staff knowledge and sub-questions. Please do not share your screen with the staff that you are interviewing since the answer is marked with asterisks. To add a negative note, you can click the number 0, colored red, under the negative column. Again, you can include the details of your observation on this page to include the room number, employee name, and its description. Please make sure to complete the actions required to complete your negative note. As a helpful tool, you can select the eye icon under the question to review the regulatory references or Stanford policies associated with the question and observation. Ending your inspection. Before you send your report, you have the ability to delete or make any modifications to your inspection on either your device or desktop. To delete a note, launch the app and open your assigned inspection. Choose the category and the question that you would like to delete. Next, choose the note you would like to delete. You can either slide the note to the left, or you can open it and delete the note by selecting the red trash can on the top right corner of your screen. To make any edits, again, launch the app and open your assigned inspection and choose the category in question that you would like to modify. Once you are in the note, you can add or remove any additional information from your observations. Once you are ready to end your inspection, select the +- icon on your taskbar. This will take you to the summary report of your inspection. Once you select Email Report, this will send a copy of your inspection to the manager and the assistant clinic managers for the clinic. This concludes the Ambulatory Manager's quarterly rounding tool training session for using the TRA Observer app. Thank you.